Hello, Ella Rhodes here, and today I am actually performing in a show. It is the show I've been telling you about. It got moved to today because of just better timing, so we're on Onyx Magic, like usual. It's a 3-event show, so first event is dressage, then there's cross-country, then jumping. So I'll see how we do. It's actually my round, the other person just finished, so they're actually about to call me. So I won't really talk too much, but I'll just have to not talk too much. Because I'm in there trying to win. And can we please have Ella Rhodes please report to the starting line within the next 5 minutes or else automatic disqualification. Looks like that's us. So it actually looks like quite a few other people are just renting this out for clubs and stuff. Not too organized of a show, but oh well, what can we do? Nighttime gets like this because it's a nighttime show. And here in the arena we have a very beautiful couple. You must recognize them from them being in many different shows, such as Champions, being one of the top contestants. Why don't you show us one of your medals? Well, I guess I could put it on just for a sec. Wow, that's a gold shiny one. Wow! Thank you very much for showing the audience that. And you may enter now. This is Ella Rhodes on her horse Onyx Magic. And they look like a great couple. Let's see how they can do. Okay, boy, we got this. Making a right turn as they enter. This is a free-for-all show, meaning you can do whatever you want. Just be watching, because we're having our guard up, making sure you are doing what you're supposed to. And looks like we're having a curl. What type of curl is it? Looks like they're going for a triple. Wow, hard for the horse. But this beautiful one seems like it's doing fine. And immediately, wow, doing a triple curl. And he bumps into the wall, but they recover quickly. Going on to the trot, and then the canter. Beautiful smooth canter, may I add. And will they stay? Wow, they're staying in the canter. Smooth move. Going on to a die. Is that a curl? Do we have a curl? No, we don't. We have a belt. Wow, hard to perform without a group. They seem to do it with no problem. Got a little stuck at the wall there, but having those tight turns got them high in points. Here are our last competitors, and they seem to be doing magnificently. And keeping that horse in the canter so long must be kinda hard on that horse. Another curl, wow. Specific, but all these curls seeming to get lower and lower points, so. Oh, and they both do a curl, a keyhole. Slows down to the trot, but doesn't lose too many points there. And a cut at mid. What are these two doing? A halt. And full pivot. Wow, that seems like the horse is going for a full pivot. That seems like a hard movement. They seem to do like nothing. And is that the end, or shall they continue? Let's do a bow, boy. And they take a beautiful bow and immediately start trotting out, or shall they continue? Looks like they're heading straight out. And that was a great couple, marking with 125 points. That seems like the highest amount of points. That would have to be a gold-winning contestant. Come on in. Come on up here. We've got our first place. Wow, they're already announcing scores? That was quick. Come on, don't just trot. You can canter. And here you go. Here's your medal. Wow, thank you so much, Molly. This is so beautiful. Wow, it's so shiny. Thanks, Molly. So yeah, it is actually quite a bit later than the show. I'm so sorry, but I've lost the time. So I'm so sorry if I have to make another video and this video cuts out. So yeah, we actually need to change into our jumping stuff because we're gonna head, and it's actually our turn next to do the cross country and then the jumping. Oh look, it's Rose. We keep on bumping into each other. Sorry, I'm just gonna say hi. Aw, they didn't even notice me. Jeez, I wonder what that was. Oh, maybe they did? Hi. Google, but in 10 minutes or so, can you do Draftsy with me and who? Oh, okay, cool, see ya. I think she's kind of mad at me because I'm a higher level than her, and I told her that one time I was going to make a video of me discovering Mistfall, and she kind of got, she was like, can I be in a vid? And I was like, nah, I'm doing one in Mistfall, do you have it? And I don't know, she seems kind of mad at me since then. But whatever, now it's time for the show. Gonna put in a tail ribbon. So yeah, here goes. They're about to call me. And next up in the arena, another pair that we just saw is Ella Rhodes and her horse. And her horse, Onyx Magic. Sorry, it took me a second to find that. And they're heading for the jump right away, having a time starting as soon as they reach that first fence. Are they going to make the shortcut? Nope, seems like they have a refusal. And they recover quickly. Very nice. Time hasn't started quite yet, but it will soon. As soon as they hit the first jump. Time starts now. And they hit the bottom. Ah, such a sad thing. Oh well, they'll just have to make it. with the time going on 25 seconds. Not too bad for all of our other contestants. Some of us had refusals, taking off lots of time, and they are making a shortcut. Heading for one of our last jumps in the wood trail, then they're going to have to cut into the other trail. And they do it swiftly, jumping an extra jump to get onto the actual trail, making a small, maybe, mistake. So yes, yeah, they seem to be doing quite well on this nice course. They are heading to the end, which shall be a long gallop, going on 1 minute. 1 minute. What was? Not 1 minute. Yeah, no, I'm so sorry. Big wrong calculation. 2 to 3 minutes. Will they make it? Will they beat the score? Oh, and this horse is picking up speed incredibly. And jumps the ledge, cutting off a bunch of time. They're heading for home with this fast track. They're at least 5 seconds in front of the best contestant. Will they make it? With all these shortcuts, I think so. Gallop home into the arena. And they make another shortcut. Will they make it down this mountain? They pass a tree, almost getting it. And they're coming in home at 4 minutes. Will they make it for 4:20? And 4:20 accomplished. That is our best time. Come on in here. Get your medal. Hi, here's your medal. Wow, it's so pretty. Thank you so much. Bye. And next up in our rounds, we have Ella Rhodes on her horse, Onyx Magic. And they shall be following the strict track. No shortcuts allowed. They're speeding up immediately, heading for the first jump, making the tight turn. And another one. This one was hard. But they make it no matter what. Heading for the next jump. They jump it evenly. Will they have any refusals? I think not. This couple just seems like they just missed the jump, but they're making it hard. Turn and jump. Will they make it? They're still in the lead for that fast start, though. And that horse, how he changed from that canter to the gallop, it was just, wow, wordless. And they finished the first one, no problems. That was just great. Now it's time to do the next one. Will they make it? They were in first for the first one, but they were not in first for the first one, but maybe their fast times in this could even it up. Wow, and they seem to accomplish a miracle with that jump. Slowing down just fast enough. Horse speeding up beautifully, like usual. They're kind of wobbly today, but they'll make it. That's a known. And everybody in the crowds know it. They barely make that. That wasn't too many points, but they still qualified.